वेलकम स्टूडेंट्स। आज मैं आपको बताऊंगा वेक्टर एटम मॉडल। द एटॉमिक मॉडल ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ बोर समरफील्ड थ्योरी डील्स विद द फॉलोइंग फोर क्वांटम नंबर्स। नंबर वन, a principal quantum number which is indicated by small n, which represents the serial number of orbits of electrons, which is the orbits are also called the shell, starting from the innermost orbit. Thus n can have only positive integer values excluding 0, that is n can have values 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. The another quantum number 2 is called the orbital quantum number indicated by small l, which can have values from 0 to n minus 1, where n is the principal quantum number. For example, if n is equal to 4, then l can have values 0, 1, 2 and 3. In convention, L is equal to 0 is called the s electron. L is equal to 0 means the first shell. Similarly, L is equal to 1 is called p electron. L is equal to 2 is called d electron and L is equal to 3 is called f electron. The another quantum number 3 is called the spin quantum number, which is indicated by small s. The small letters are indicated for individual electrons, which can have only two values. S is equal to plus minus half. Plus, for example, you can say clockwise direction, or minus half is indicated for anti-clockwise direction. We have to note that the half integer values looks in contradiction with the quantum mechanical principle, but the successful explanation of various phenomena and the quantum mechanics proposed by Dirac insists for the half integer value of the spin angular quantum number. That is the spin quantum number. This is the second page, in which we have introduced the total angular momentum quantum number, which is indicated by small j, which is the sum of orbital angular momentum quantum number L and the spin quantum number S. As such, j can have L plus minus s or L plus minus half values, because s can take only one value, the modulus half. If, however, an external magnetic field H is applied in the system, if we consider a system of atoms, then and apply an external magnetic field in the system, that is in the atoms, in the z direction. In this figure, the z direction indicated, in which the field H is introduced in an atom which is orbiting in this manner. The direction of the orbital angular momentum is indicated here, and this angle is theta. So we explain here, if the external magnetic field H is applied in this direction, in the direction of z, such that the electron's orbit, this is the electron orbit, makes an angle theta, this is the angle theta, such that the electron's orbit makes angle theta with the direction of orbital angular momentum L in this direction. This is the angle theta, as shown in the figure given below. Then simply we can calculate that ml is equal to L cos theta. This is the figure number 1. So that three more quantum numbers may be incorporated in the Bohr-Sommerfeld atomic theory. If we apply an external magnetic field, then in this manner, then three more quantum number may be added in the Bohr-Sommerfeld atomic theory. Thus, the theory emerges in this manner is called the vector atom model. So, in vector atom model, we see that the orbital and spin motion of an electron are also quantized in magnitude as well as in direction. So, now we consider the added quantum numbers. The number 5 is the magnetic. The three quantum numbers which are added in the Bohr-Sommerfeld field atomic model by introducing an external field H are: number 5, magnetic orbital quantum number ml, which gives the possible components of L in the z direction, the direction of the applied field H, and commonly known as space quantization. From figure 1 above and the relation ml is equal to L cos theta, it follows that we can take the values from minus L to plus L including 0, which gives 2L plus 1 values for ml. For example, if we take L is equal to 2, the ml can have 5 values: minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1 and plus 2. Another quantum number, which is the serial number 6, is called the magnetic spin quantum number, which is indicated by M subscript S, ms, which gives the possible components of S in the z direction, in analogy with the magnetic orbital quantum number ml above, as we have discussed in section in point number 5. Yes. In analogy with the magnetic orbital quantum number ml above, ms can also take 2s plus 1 values. Since we know that s is equal to half, the modulus of s is half, therefore ms can take 2 into half plus 1 is equal to 2 in total, 2 values only. Thus, the values of ms are plus half and minus half. And the 7th, the final quantum number, when we apply the external magnetic field in an atom, then this is called the magnetic total angular momentum quantum number, which is indicated by mj, which specify the orientation of j in space with respect to z-axis. The z-axis is indicated in this figure. In analogy with the orbital, which is magnetic quantum number defined earlier above, the possible values of mj are 2j plus 1. Similarly, in the manner where we have indicated 2l plus 1 for the case of orbital magnetic quantum number, which are, so similarly mj can have 2j plus 1 values, which are from minus j to plus j including 0, which indicates that they are in the discrete steps. It implies from the above definitions that mj is equal to ml plus minus ms. Now we know that ml is an integer and ms is plus minus half. Therefore, mj will have the half integer values only. The maximum value of mj, ml and ms can have j, l and s respectively. As we have discussed earlier, we finalize this video by stating that we have seen that the orbital and spin motions of an electron are quantized in magnitude as well as in direction. Thank you.